Morning, it's Don with Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE, and I got in the mail yesterday my replacement fog lights. It's this company Alla lighting. It's advanced LEDs, and they're pretty great. Oh, got a honeybee bugging me. Funny, Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE, honeybee. Ha! Anyway, as you can see, it's pretty cool little packaging. They do give a 1-year warranty, which is nice, but I never had to use it. My first set I bought in 2020, and they ran all the way up until now. And then the side LEDs started blinking, which meant that a couple of the panels actually lost their ability to light up, and then the rest. So how it told me they were going bad was my fog lights just started blinking. Either that or it just wanted me to go back to my rave days, which is a crazy time. Anyway, I'm getting ready to put these back on, and we'll see if they perform like they did the first time. Also, on Amazon, these things are only like, I don't know, well, I have to double check, but I swear they were like 13 bucks. But if you get them at Walmart or AutoZone or Advance, you spend, for a similar brand, close to $40, $50. That's why I really like these things. And also, the best part is that they're a USA product, which proves why they lasted so long. We had some good techs inside that department. But I'm gonna put these back on. They're real easy to do. Here, let me open this and show you. Of course, I forgot my knife inside. They come in this cool little sealed packaging. Got a little tear tab, which is great. You use this QR code to register your product so you can get that year warranty. But they just look like that. And what it is the original, the ones I had on there from 2020, these little side ones, 3 of them just stopped working, or a few of them did. And then it started making this center one, the main one, start blinking. Now on Amazon also, it will tell you that, like for mine, it's a 2014 RAM. They say that it's like for multiple year RAMs. I can't remember if it's the 2011 up or something like that, but I'll get you the link in the description below, of course. But they keep telling me that now that these don't fit a 2014. Like my garage, it says no, it does not fit. However, this is the exact same model, brand, the whole works that I'm pulling off the truck that worked for almost 5 years. Cool. All right, let's go put these on. Not sure if you're going to be able to tell much here, but to get to your LEDs, they're just right. Wait, let me bring you along on this journey. All right. So the LED is right here. Golly, the sun's just in a bad spot. However, what you do is you just turn that. Let's see if I can get my hand up here with this camera. Just turn this to the side. Easy peasy. Just pull that out, and then it's got a little clip here. You lift that up slightly, and then pop that off and pop the new one on. I'll do it demo with this. Then you just put it in there, and voila, you're back in business. Turn counterclockwise, take it out, and then change it and put it back in. Let me get that new one. On the right side, same deal. Let's see if I can get this thing to work for me. Counterclockwise, turn, same deal. Clip, take it out, change it, and you're back in business. All right, let me change it out. All right, literally took about 5 minutes total. Took longer for me to get in that box than it did anything else. Let me turn them on. And let me flip this. All right, there we go. Just got to clean my truck. Oh, that one. Oh, wow. They're not blinking at all. Now in real life, these bad ones were blinking really bad because the panels actually were out. Huh. Maybe it's just the frequency of the LED versus the camera. All right. Well, that's just some craziness right there. All right, we'll turn all this off. All right. I highly recommend these lights, and I'm sorry that the film is showing them blinking. It's just crazy, but I'm not a big electronic guy, and it's PFM, as we would say in the Navy, which is pure effing magic. That's all electricity is to me. But y'all have a good day. About a 5-minute job. Really good product. Lasted me 5 years. Here, get my fingers up there. 5 years. And I recommend y'all get it. Link will be in the description below. Y'all have a good day. UniquelyDOUBLEBEE out.